Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda CRF450X trail bike. This thing is in beautiful shape, very low hours. It also has a rechargeable Trail Tech GPS system, Cycra handguards, beautiful shape, green sticker. Come on by, check it out. Make your CRF450X dreams come true for just $92.99 with this 4-stroke liquid-cooled open class desert bike. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.